What if the reason you're always tired, struggling to build muscle, losing motivation, or feeling older than your age has nothing to do with getting older? The answer could be your daily habits. Many men unknowingly make small mistakes every single day that may work against healthy testosterone levels. The good news? Simple lifestyle changes can help support your body's natural hormone balance. And habit number 1 is something millions of people do every morning without realizing its impact. Stay until the end because habit number 7 might be the easiest change with one of the biggest long-term benefits. Testosterone isn't just about muscle. It plays an important role in energy, mood, bone health, sexual health, recovery, and overall well-being. The surprising part? Many daily choices, from how you sleep to what you eat, may influence your body's ability to maintain healthy hormone levels. Today we're revealing 7 science-backed habits that naturally support healthy testosterone, and one common mistake many people make without even realizing it. Let's begin. What if you're losing hormone support while you're asleep? Sleep is one of the most important times for hormone regulation. Research suggests that consistently getting too little sleep can reduce testosterone production over time. Aim for around 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Simple habits like keeping a consistent bedtime, limiting screen time before bed, and sleeping in a cool, dark room may help improve sleep quality. Your muscles can send powerful signals throughout your body. Resistance training is associated with many health benefits, including supporting healthy hormone function. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, presses, and rows engage large muscle groups and may provide the greatest overall benefit. Consistency matters more than intensity. Overtraining without enough recovery can work against your progress. Don't click away yet. The next habit isn't about exercise at all. It's something you do 3 or more times every single day, and it can influence your overall health more than many supplements. Plus, later in the video, we'll reveal one daily habit that costs nothing, but many people completely ignore. If you're enjoying this video, hit like and subscribe because every week we break down science-backed health habits into practical tips you can use. Could eating too little fat work against healthy hormone production? Healthy fats play a role in many important bodily functions. Include sources such as avocados, olive oil, eggs, nuts, seeds, fatty fish. Balance is key. Instead of following extreme diets, focus on a varied eating pattern rich in whole foods. Your biggest hormone enemy might not be food. Chronic stress increases cortisol, a hormone that can affect many body systems when elevated for long periods. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, deep breathing, hobbies, or spending time outdoors, can support overall well-being. Small daily stress management habits add up over time. So far, we've covered sleep, exercise, nutrition, stress, but the next 3 habits are the ones most people overlook. We're halfway through. The next habit may explain why some people do everything right, but still feel exhausted. And habit number 1 is probably the easiest lifestyle upgrade anyone can start today. If you've learned something new so far, share this video with someone who could benefit from it. Body composition affects more than appearance. Maintaining a healthy weight through balanced nutrition and regular activity supports many aspects of health, including hormone balance. crash dieting and rapid weight loss can sometimes work against healthy hormone function. Focus on sustainable habits rather than quick fixes. The sunshine vitamin may do more than strengthen bones. Vitamin D supports many important processes in the body. Many people have low vitamin D levels without realizing it. Safe sunlight exposure, vitamin D-rich foods, or supplements when recommended by a healthcare professional can help maintain healthy levels. We've reached the #1 habit, and surprisingly, it has nothing to do with expensive supplements. Stay with me because this final habit ties everything together. It's free, simple, backed by decades of health research, and yet is one of the first things people sacrifice when life gets busy. If you're enjoying this content, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos on men's health and healthy aging. There isn't one magic habit, it's the combination that matters. Healthy testosterone levels are influenced by overall lifestyle, not one miracle food or supplement. When you consistently sleep well, exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, manage stress, maintain a healthy weight, get enough vitamin D, avoid smoking, and limit excessive alcohol, you create an environment that supports overall health, including healthy hormone function. Small habits practiced daily often have a greater impact than dramatic changes that don't last. Supporting healthy testosterone naturally isn't about chasing quick fixes. It's about making daily choices that benefit your body over time. Which of these 7 habits do you already practice, and which one will you start today? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to discover the 12 best foods that naturally support healthy testosterone as part of a balanced diet, click the next video on your screen right now. You might be surprised which everyday foods made the list.